In this video, I'll show you how to turn off subtitles on Peacock. It's really easy. Step 1, play a show or movie. Open Peacock on your device and start playing the video content. Step 2, access playback controls. On PC or mobile, tap or hover over the video to bring up playback controls. Step 3, select subtitles icon. Click or tap the text bubble icon, usually at the bottom left or top right. Step 4, turn subtitles off. In the audio and subtitles menu, select off to disable subtitles or closed captions. Step 5, device specific instructions. On your Fire Stick or Roku, use your remote to open a playback menu, navigate to subtitles and then select off. And on smart TVs, for example LG or Samsung, press the select or OK button to open the subtitle options and turn them off. Now I have some tips if subtitles don't turn off. You can refresh the video or app after changing your subtitle settings. You can update your Peacock app to the latest version and you can restart your device if the subtitles persist. And that is how you turn your subtitles off on Peacock. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.